Hey guys, so this is the next chapter, that is the chapter 6 and chapter 6 of number system. So you all are aware that the many questions are asked in the different exams based on the number systems. So yes, just we will learn in this chapter. So in this chapter you will learn about the things means non-positional number system. What are the non-positional number system? Positional number system, decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Okay, so yes, so this chapter is also a very important chapters regarding the number systems. So learning objectives of this chapters are as follows: means convert a numbers to the base. Okay, so how we can convert number to the base means another base to a decimal base, and decimal base to the another base, some base to the another base, and all types of the conversion are possible. Base to the decimal base you can convert easily, and decimal base to the another base, and means some base to the another base. And shortcut methods for the converting means are means binary to octal number, octal to binary number, binary to hexadecimal number, and hexadecimal to binary number, and fractional number to the binary system number. So these all conversions are possible. Okay, so number system means two types of the number systems are there. First one is the non-positional number system, and second one is the positional number system. Now we will discuss the non-positional number system. So just see this one slides. So the characteristics, so use symbols such as first for first, second for two. These are the means Roman numbers, and third for three, and this is for fourth, and this is for fifth, etc. Each symbol represents the same value regardless of its position in the number. Okay, so this is the second characteristic. And third characteristics is means the symbols are simply added to find out the value of a particular number. So difficulty, what is the difficulty into the non-positive number system? It is the difficulty to perform arithmetic with such number system. That is the means arithmetic operations is difficult to perform in this type of the number systems. Okay, next, the positional number system, the characteristics are used only few symbols called the digits, and these symbols represent the different values depending on the position, and they occupy the number. Okay, and the value of each digit is determined by means the digit itself, the position of the digit in the number, the base of the number system. So base is the total number of the digits in the number system, clearly. And the maximum value of the single digit is always equal to 1 less than the value of the base. And these are the correct decimal number system. So if we talk about the decimal number system, then characteristics of the decimal number systems are as follows. Means a positional number system, so it has 10 symbols or digits, and it started from 0 to 9, means 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Hence its base is 10. Okay, so yes, so the maximum value of single digit is 9, 1 less than the value of the base, means 0 to 9. Okay, that is total values are that 10. That's why base is considered as a 10. Okay, and each position of the digit represents a specific power to the base, and we use this number system in our means day to day life also. So this is the example of the decimal number system. See here, so this is the 2586 base 10. Okay, 2586 base 610. So just move to the right to left. So this is the 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3. Okay, so just we multiply in the same way. 6 into 10 to the power 0, this is the first digit, like for example first, second, third and fourth. Okay, so this is the first into 10 to the power 0. Second, that is 8 into 10 to the power 1. 5 10 to the power 2, that is the third, and 2 यानी कि 10 to the power 3, and hence we calculate means 6 80 502. Okay, and total sum is 2586. Now we talk about the binary number system. So the characteristics of binary number systems means a positional number system. This is the positional number system, and has only two symbols and denoted by the two symbols 0 or 1. Hence it's 2. Okay, so the maximum value of single digit is 1, or 1 less than the value of the base. Each position of a digit represents means a specific power of the base 2, and this number system is used into the computer, and computer works on the binary, that is the 0 and 1. Clearly, so we can learn, or we can see with the help of the example also. So this is the example given here. So these are the binary digit 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, so that is the base 2. Okay, so yes, means how we can convert, and this is also a conversion, means conversion from binary to decimal. Okay, binary, the base of the binary is 2, and base of the binary or decimal is 10. Clear? So base of the binary is 2 and base of the decimal is 10. Means you have to convert something, means that is the binary and decimal, base 10. Okay, so from the binary to base 10 is converted as follows. Means just see here, यानी कि 1, this is the first number, second, third, fourth and fifth. Clear? So and here start in the case of the binary, means base 2 to power 0, base 2 की power 1, 2 की power 2, मैंने base की power 2, base 2 power 3, base 2 power 4. Now the 1 means first digit, first number, and base 2 to the power 0, this is the first. Then second number means 0, 2 to the power 1. Then third number into 2 to the power 2. Then fourth number 2 to the power 3, and then fifth number 2 to the power 4. And here in similar way we calculate, and this is the 1, then 0, then 4, then 0, then 16, and total is 16 for 20 and 1 21. So here this is also a conversion from the binary to the decimal. Clear? Okay, now representing number in different number system. Okay, so in order to specific about which number system we are referring to, and it's common practice to indicate the base as a subscript, thus we write, means this is the basically conversion of binary to the decimal. So this is the binary, and you are aware binary base is 2 and decimal base is 10. Okay, now this is the bit. So bit stands for the binary digit. A bit in a computer terminology means either 0 or 1. A binary number consisting of n bits is called an n bits number. Octal number system. So octal number system, the characteristics of the octal number systems are means a positional number system. This is the positional number system, and has total 8 symbol of digits. means 0 to 7 means 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 total these are the 8. Okay, hence its base is 10, and in case of the decimal there are the 10 numbers means 0 to 9. In that case base is 10, and if we talk about the octal number, the total symbols or digits are 0 to 7, that is the 8, therefore the base is 8. Okay, the maximum value of a single digit is 7, one less than the value of the base. So each position of the digit represents a specific power of the base 8. So octal number system, so this is the example, so we can learn with the help of the example also. Since there are the 8 digits, 3 bits means 2 to the power 3 8 and are sufficient to represent any octal number system. So this is the octal, and that is a 20578, and we want to convert into the decimal. Okay, so how we will convert from the octal to decimal? You all are aware the base of octal is 8 and base of decimal is 10. Clear? So octal means base 2 to the power 0, base 2 की power 1, base 2 की power 3, base 2 power 3, 2 in 0 1 2 and 3. This is the first number, this is the second digit, this is the fourth digit, and this is the first, second, third and fourth. Okay, so means 8 to power 0 into first number, then second number 8 to power 1, then third number 8 to power 2, then fourth number 8 to power 3, and this is the 7 first, that is the 40 0 1024, and total sum is 1071, and this is the what? Decimal. So this is the simpler form, means how we will convert from the octal to the decimal. If we talk about the hexadecimal number, so this is again an important term, means hexadecimal number. So a positional number system, this is the positional number system, and has total 16 symbol or digits. Okay, or means 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and after 9 and A B C D E and F, hence its base is 16 because total digits are 16. Okay, so in a binary base is 2, decimal base is 8, hexadecimal base is 16. Clear? And in binary total digits are 2, decimal total digits are 8, hexadecimal total digits are 16. So on the basis of total digits or total symbols, that particular base is considered. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9, A B C D E F, hence its base is 16. But the important thing is this: the symbols A B C D E and F represent the decimal values, means 10 10 for A, 11 for B, 12 for C, 13 for D, 14 for E, and 15 for F. Okay, so if there is the value of 10, then you can write simple A. If you find the value of 11, then represent the B, 12, 13, 14 and 15, and in similar way A, B, C, D, E and F. Clear? So the maximum value of a single digit is 15, or one less than the value of the base. So further, this is the example. Here you can see. So each position of digit represents a specific power of the base 16. Next one, since there are only 16 digits, means 4 bits, 2 to power 4 16 are sufficient to represent the any hexadecimal number. So yes, this is the hexadecimal number 1AF. Clear? And this is the here it also denotes the hexadecimal to decimal. Okay, and the base of hexadecimal is 16 and decimal base is the 10. Yes, so yes, this is the first number, this is the second, and this is the third number. Clear? So this is the base 2 to the power 0, base 2 to the power 1, and base 2 to the power 2. So first number means f, and f for what? 15. Second a for 10, and 1 2 5 6. Okay, so this is the 15 into 1, 10 into 16, and 1 into 2 to the power 256. Okay, so 256 160 15, and total is 131. So here is the conversion from the means hexadecimal to the decimal. Clear? Next, converting a number of another base to the decimal number system. So there are the some steps, and these steps are the important, means how you will convert a number to the another base to the decimal number. So method first means this is the step first, means determine the column, means positional value of each digit. And second one is the step 2, and that is the multiply obtained means column values by digits in the corresponding columns. And third step is calculate the sum of these products. Clear? So here yes, with the help of this example we can see here 47068, and you want to convert into the decimal. Clearly? Yes, then 4608 means 8 to 2 to power 0 into 6, that is the first number. Okay, so this is the first number, this is the second, this is the third number, and this is the fourth number. Then first number, that is the 6 into 2, 8 to power 0, and second number 0 into 8 to the power 1, 7 8 to 2 power 2, and 4 into 8 to 2 power 3. So this is the sum, means 6 into 1 plus 0, 7 into 64, and 4 into 5 of 1 2. So 60448 for 2048, and total sum is 2508. That is the what is the decimal. So exact means this is the conversion from the means octal to the means decimal conversion. Clear? Okay. And this is the next slide from converting a decimal number to a number of another base, means division remainder method. So this is the step first, means divide a decimal number to be converted by the value of the new base. And step 2 is the record the means remainder from the step 1 as the rightmost digit, least significant digit of the new base number. And next one is the step 3, means divide the quotient of the previous divided by the new base. Clear? Yes. And step 4 is record the remainder from the step 3 as a next digit to the left of the new base number. And repeat step 3 to 4 means recording the remainders from right to left, and until the quotient becomes 0 in step 3. Note that last means remainder thus obtained will be the most significant digit, that is the MST of the new base number. Clear? So yes, this is the perfect example, means converting a decimal number to the another base station base number. So example, this is the 952, means 952 this is the decimal number, means why we say this is that means decimal number. Okay, yes, so means this is base 10 means decimal, and this is the octal number. So just we want to convert into the means octal number. Clear? Yes, so this is yes, this is the means yes, decimal number 952. So just divide from 8. If we divide by 8, then 119s, and remainder is means yes 0. Okay, yes, this is the remainder. Then again divide by 9 and the remainder 17, then remainder 6, and then these are the remainders. So 9 5 to just be move from means this to this position, means first we write the 1, then 6, then 7, then 0. Okay, so the means conversion is 1670, and this is the 8. Okay, so this is the means is simple conversion from decimal to the means octal. How you will convert from the decimal to the octal? Clear? Okay, now we will convert from the converting a number of the some base to the number of another base. So these are the method, means the first method is step 1. So the step 1 is convert the original number to the decimal number base 10, and step 2 is convert the decimal number, so means obtained the new base number. Clear? Okay, and next one is means converting a number of means some base to the number of the another base. Okay, so it means there are the base, means example. Okay, means the digit is 545. Okay, so these are the important concern for the number system. So here 545, and you have to convert into the number system. Okay, so solution is this, means yes, this is the solution, means step 1 converting from the base 6 to the base 10. Okay, so yes, how you will convert from base 6 to the base 10, means 545, means that is means yes, this is the base, means 6 to power 0, 6 to power 1, 6 to power 2, and this is the first number, second number, and third number. Okay. Hmm. Yes, so 5 into 1, and 4 into 6, and 5 into 36. Clear? Then this is the 5, 24, and 180, then 209 means base 10. Clear? Okay, so means from any base to means yes, this is the decimal number. Okay, now means we have not reached to the base 4, we have reached here you can see from any base how we convert from the decimal number. So this is the base 6, and from base 6 the conversion is means base 10, and now we will convert. So we have obtained the decimal number. So again in this slide we will convert from the yes means decimal to the base 4. So 209, so we will divide 209 52, and remainder is 1, then means just 4 52, and key remainder is 0, then 4 remainder 1, then 4, and just like remainder 3. Okay, so yes, just we divide, and we get the following concern, means 3 1 0 and 1. So the value hence 209 base 10 equal to 3101. Clear? Okay, so yes, means now we have reached from the decimal to 3101. In previous slide we have found, means firstly we have converted from 545, that is the base 6 to the decimal number, that is the 209 base 10, and to any decimal number or any decimal number easily converted by the dividing method into the particular base. So just we applied means this base, that is the 4. So again that was the converted, means 31012 base 4. Okay. And next one is the shortcut method for the converting a binary number to its equivalent octal number. So the method one means step one means divide the digits into groups of three starting from the right, and step to convert each group of three binary digits to one octal digit using the method of binary to means decimal conversion. Clear? Yes. So again, this is the interesting example of binary to the octal number, means how you will convert from the binary to the octal. So yes, this is the binary number, that is the one one 01 01 0 base 2. Yes, this is the binary number, and you have to find the octal number from the binary number. Clear? Okay. So means divide the binary digit into the group 3 starting from the right. So here we form a means pair of 3 digits, means 0 1 0, then 1 0 1, and 0 0 1. Okay. So yes, if there are the means any means left the digits, then add the 0 means before the particular digits, so that the pair of three digits can be performed. So convert each group into the one octal digit is means 0012 equal to 0. So now we convert the means octal digits, means this is the 0 1 0. Here we can write here means 0. Okay. Yes. And yes, in this way, this is a 2, and this is the 5, and this is the 1. Clear? Yes. And that is the means 0 into 2 to the power 0 1, second digit, this is the second digit, that is the 5, this is the third digit, that is the 2. Okay, so here we can write means 1. Yes, that is the 1, 5, and 2. Okay. Yes, so this is the simple conversion how means binary converted into the octal. Clear? Now yes, this is the second means shortcut method for converting an octal number to its equivalent binary number, means method is step 1. So convert each octal digit to a means 3 digit binary number. The octal digits may be treated as decimal for this conversion. And step 2 means combine all the resulting binary groups of 3 digits and each into a single binary number. Clear? Yes. So again, this is the interesting example, means how we will convert from the octal to the binary. So octal to the binary means yes. So convert each octal into the 3, means that is the yes, means 265. Okay, so 2 we can write in this form 0 1 0, 6 can be written as 1 1 0, and 5 can be written as 1 0 1. Okay, and here we combine, means this one, that is here we can write 1 0 1, and again 1 1 0, and this 0 1 0, and base 10. So the conversion of octal to the binary is very easy. Clear? So let's see the again shortcut method for converting a binary number to its equivalent hexadecimal number. So there are the method, means step 1. So divide the binary digits into groups of 4 starting from the right, And step 2 is combine each group of 4 binary digits to one hexadecimal digits. Clear? Next one, shortcut method for converting a binary number to its equivalent hexadecimal number. Yes. So again, this is the means important and interesting, very yes, interesting concept, means how will convert. Okay. So this is the, again conversion. Yes. So here. This is the binary number, means 1 1 1 1 0 1 2, and you have to convert it to the base 16, that is the in hexadecimal. So it's very easy. In case of the octa, now what we are performing, we perform the means we combine the 3 pair of the binary, okay, 3-digit pair. So here in the case of the means hexadecimal, okay, just we make the 4 digits, one pair of the 4 digits, that is the 1101. This is the first, second 11, and to complete the 4 digits, just we add the 2 0 before. So there are the 2 pairs, and this is the binary. Again, this is the binary, no issue. And convert each group into the hexadecimal clearly. Okay. Okay, so for converting the hexadecimal, so yes, this is the 2 to the power 0 into 1, then 2 to the power 1, then 2 to the power 2 into 0, and this. So here we can 3 to the power 10. Clear? Yes, and this is the decimal number, and 1101, and the same way it can be calculated. So here we are calculating, means 3, okay, and yes, and this is the number, means this is the 8, and this is the 4, this is the 0, and this is the 1, means that is the 8 and 4, 14, and this is the 13, total 13, this is the 13, yani, and 13 can be written as d 16. Clear? So we combined the means 3 and 16 means base 10, or we can write here 3 or d base 16. Clear? Next, shortcut method for converting a hexadecimal number to its equivalent binary number. Method are, means step 1, means convert the decimal equivalent of each hexadecimal digit to a 4 digit binary number. And second one is step 2, means combine all the resulting binary groups, means of 4 digits each in a single binary number. Clear? Yes, again this is the important concept, means shortcut method for converting a hexadecimal number to its equivalent binary number. Okay. Yes, so this is the 2AB16, and this is the hexadecimal number, you have to convert into the binary number. So 2 base 16 can be written as 2 to the power 10, means it can be written as 0010, no issue. Okay, because in the hexadecimal we make the means single pair of the 4 digits, so 0010, or means yes, and 2 can be written as 0010 raised to it. In same way, a means 10 10 to the power 10 to the base 10, means 10102, and b means 11 can be written as 10 means 112, and here we convert, means all the digits, so it can be written as 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0, and 1 0 1 1, this is the binary. Okay, So this is the first part, this is the second part, and this is the third part. All three parts are converted. So means hexadecimal to binary means easily combine. Here step 2 means combine the binary groups, as we have already discussed, means 2ab 6 base to 16. So this is the 2, this is the a, and this is the b, and combine all the digits. This is the first, this is the second, this is the fourth. Okay, so yes, we have converted from the hexadecimal to the binary number system. Clear? Next, now there are the functional numbers also. So fractional numbers are formed same way as decimal number system. So in means general, a number in a number system with base b would be written as a2 means base n, a n minus 1, a0, a minus 1, a minus 2, and a minus n, and would be means interpreted to mean means a to the power means a base n into bn, an minus 1, bn minus 1, and this is the means formula. And in above representation should be one of the b symbol means allow in a number system. Okay, and yes, these are the binary points also, means formation of the fraction number in a binary number system. Clear? Means how we can fraction a of binary number system. So position means these are the position, means here from 0 1 2 3 4. Clear? And it can be written 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, and it is the 1 2 4 8 16. Okay, now in reverse direction, if we talk about the means minus 1, then minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and this is 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 2, 2 to the power minus 3, 2 to the power minus 4, and it is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, and 1 by 16. Yes, now here we can see. So this is the example, means formation of fractional numbers in a binary number system. So this is an example. Clear? So yes, 110.101. So it is simple, means means you have to convert into the means decimal number system. Yes, so 1 here means this is the first part, and this is the second part. So here means this is the first part, and this is the second part. Clear? So in first part, 2 to the power 0 means simple, into 0, that is the first digit, second digit 2 to the power 1, and third digit 2 to the power 2, and here 420 means 6. Now we talk about the second part, then 1. Here we start from the okay, in positive number means before the decimal, we start from right to left, and in case of after decimal, we start from left to right. So that is 1, this is the first number, second and third number, that is a 1 2 to the power minus 1, plus second number means 0 2 to the power minus 2, plus third number 1 a 2 to the power minus 3. Okay, so means yes, this can be written as 0.5, and it can be written as 0, and it can be written as 0.125, and we combine means addition of 6.625. so this is the conversion, means formation of fractional number in a binary number system. So that is the example. Next, the same concept is applied to the octal point also. Yeah, there is a formation of the fractional number in the in octal number system example, means yes, this is the position value, and means quantity represented. Yes, so this is the 0 1 2 3, 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 2, 8 to the power 3. That is the 1, 8, 64 and 512 है ना. In case of same way in the binary. And minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, e to power minus 1, e to power minus 2, e to power minus 3, and it can be written as 1 by 8, 1 by 64 and 1 by 5.2. Clear? So this is the example formation of the fractional number in a octal number system. Okay, so yes, it can be means understood by the with the help of the example. Means 1 into 8 to the power here. Yes, so this and this is the first part, and this is the second part. Clear? So first part easily can be calculated, means 7 into 8 to power 0, and 2 into 8 to power 1, 1 into 8 to power 2, means 64, 16 and 7. And in second part 5 into 8 to power minus 1 and 4 into 8 to power minus 2, that is 5 by 8 and 4 by 64. It can be written as 0.0625, means 87.6875. Okay, so this is the fraction formation of the fraction number in octal number system. Okay, so that is the good example. And next one, so these are the means keywords or phrases means used in the number system. So base and binary number system, binary points, bit, decimal number system, division remainder techniques, fractional numbers, hexadecimal number system, and least significant digits LST, memory term, most significant digits means MST, non-positional number system, octal number system, positional number system. Okay, yes, so yes, this is means important chapter based on the number system, and many questions asked into the different exams or competitive exams based on the number system. Okay, so yes, so thank you very much. Okay, thank you so much.